We will be doing in today's video a full face of makeup with MAC Cosmetics. So if ever you want to know how I created this look and which products I use in particular, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this makeup tutorial in right away. Hello beauties! So today, full face of MAC Cosmetics products, oh my god, and I just want to tell you I don't have like bronzer, blush, so we will have to work around it with other products that I have from MAC, so it's gonna be something excited. And if you like these types of videos, the full face of XYZ brand, make sure to like the video and to tell me down below so I can continue making these videos, and of course make a suggestions down below of the brands that you would want me to do a full face of. For sure today the first thing is a full face of MAC, and I think it's gonna be pretty exciting. So we will start off for sure with the prep and prime, because MAC is all about prep and prime. I don't really have any primer other than the Fix Plus and the lip primer, which I'm gonna be trying things today because usually I put a primer under my eyes, different than the one on my face. So I'm gonna be using this under my eyes and on my lips, and I will be using the Fix Plus for the rest of my face. First of all, I like to kind of melt it into the skin, just because some areas get less product and I feel like it gets way easier into the skin when I rub it off in the skin as if it was a primer. The other primer, which is the MAC Prep Plus Prime for the lips, it becomes a little bit sticky when you put it on the lips, so that's why I'm just gonna put it a little bit under the eye, just because I have a hard time with creases under my eyes, and when it becomes sticky, that's like a good way to, like, it doesn't crease as much. So I'm gonna test it out, and it's moisturizing and everything, so that's why I am trying it out under the eyes as well. There's like products I've been using and products that I didn't use in a while, so I think I'm gonna go straight to the brows just because I'm gonna be able to clean off afterwards. So this is a product that I actually don't like. It is the Fling Velux Brow Liner, and I'm gonna be doing my brows with them. The reason why I don't like it is because it's not pigmented and it just breaks all the time, and it just ends up like losing so much product. So we're gonna go for a natural look. And also I want to say I'm so excited because I am finally going back to the gym. It's open here in Ontario, in Canada, and I'm super excited to go back. So that's why it's going to be kind of like a more natural type of makeup look, which I don't have a lot of products from MAC, but I have enough for a full face. Alright, so now brows are covered in filth with this product, which is why I don't really like it. I have to mess up, go overboard with it, and it's just really ugly. So now the first thing that I have to do is to clean up this mess because it's so bad. It's really bad. So I'm going to go with the MAC 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, which usually, now I change a little bit my technique. Usually I go with something like a foundation and then I do my brows. With this technique, I do have to start with my eyebrows. If not, it's going to be super hard to do. So I'm going to take a little brush and then I will clean up my eyebrows with it, making sure that everything is sharp and super nice and clean, which it's not what it is right now, but it's okay. It's gonna come a little bit. I decided to put the rest of the concealer on my face to make sure that everything was really nicely clean and that my acne wouldn't appear as much. So that's a little trick if you want. You just add the rest of your concealer when you finish cleaning off your eyebrows on top of your acne if you have any or any redness. So the next step that I want to do is I'm gonna put some blush. We'll say blush because I don't have blush actually with MAC. So what I'm gonna do before I apply the foundation, because I want to put this under because it's kind of dark, right? So I'm gonna use that lipstick, which is in the shade Work, and I'm gonna be applying a little bit here on the side. So I'm gonna be placing it on my hand. So as you can see, I'm placing the color, and I'm going to put my fingers in this and I will apply it to the areas that I want some blush, and then I'll apply some foundation on top of it so it's not too dark. So I'm just applying this here and I'm blending it, and I kind of like the color actually that it gives. Like it gives like a nice little flush of color. Again, if you don't have blush and you have a red lipstick, that can be good for you. It goes on the lip like you eat it, so I guess it would be good on your skin. if you have sensitive skin, it might not be for you, but that's a little trick that I can give you if you don't have a blush. Then after that, we can add a little bit more on top when we have the foundation and everything, just because this is kind of dark and I didn't know how much I needed on my face, and I want kind of a little bit of color. You like it? For sure now I kind of look like messy, but you're gonna see at the end what it's gonna look like. And here I look like I just went into a snowstorm, but that's not what we're gonna do today. So the next product that I'm gonna use is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, which is my perfect match in foundation, I guess. I think I like it. So I'm putting it on my little spatula. This is my foundation brush, and I just apply it here to the areas that need it the most, and then I'm gonna go over it very, very gently. And you're gonna see, since I already did my acne spots, I won't need as much foundation on my face, but I still have to be careful. It has to be kind of equal everywhere. And as you can see, like, I still have a little flush of color coming through, but I have a lot of coverage, which is what I'm here for. Coverage, but a flush of color. Now we've got a nice glowiness from the little lipstick and the foundation was together. They look absolutely amazing. And now I'm just gonna like brighten just a little bit my under eyes, not a lot, because again, I want to look a little natural, so not too much, maybe a little bit here, and that's it. I'm not gonna add anything else, maybe on my acne right here, just to like bring up the contour a little bit, because I don't have any contour. So having this as just brightening up under here is really gonna bring up the contour a little bit, even though I don't have any darker color. Sometimes you can just put a lighter color, and this pimple is really annoying me, so I'm just gonna bye-bye. Bye-bye. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna bring it down like this, making sure that this stays here, and I'm bringing it. You do the under eye and you concentrate it where the eye is hollow. Of course, I'm gonna be placing some of that concealer on my eye, just because I don't have a primer for my eyes. I don't have a paint pot or anything. So bringing a little bit of that concealer on the eye is just gonna add a little bit more coverage to the redness of my eye. It's gonna cancel it out, and it's gonna look super natural. After that, we'll add some pigment, and it's gonna look amazing. Right, so this is done. So the next step is to set the entire face, and hopefully we're just gonna put a little bit, because I don't want the redness to go away. So I'm gonna take the MAC Water Weight Press Powder, and I'm just gonna tap it very gently, especially on the face, because I don't want too much of power on this one. And I keep tapping on my microphone, I'm really sorry. I'm just placing it this to set it, and especially under the eye. That's the important part. And if you didn't notice, I hit pan on this one, which is amazing. It's nice to hit pan on products, because you're like, okay, I use it a lot, and I've had it for a long time. You know, my first MAC haul, that's when I had this product, which is a hell of a lot of a long time, which is crazy. So that looks pretty nice. Everything is set. It looks nice. And now we will go for the rest of the face, of course, and I'm gonna go for the eyeshadows, which I already used it, but I felt like today, since I only have this and the Dazzle shadow, I wanted something that would really make my eyes pop. So I'm gonna go with the MAC Pigment, which is so beautiful. I absolutely love this color. I think it's such a nice color, and I'm gonna repeat it over and over again. It's something that I absolutely love, and it's easy to blend. That's like one thing that I noticed is I can either pack it on or I can blend it, and it's gonna make like a nice feathered look on the eye, which I think it's what I'm gonna do today, just to have a flush of color on my eye. And you know, I'm just placing it right there. Then I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna fluff out all of this so I can really make it very pale. As you can see, it's so pretty. I love this color. This is the shadow, and that is how you apply a single pigment or a single shadow on your eye. You just put a little bit and then you swirl it around. You bring it more intense on the outer corner and less intense in the inner corner, and you blend it upwards, and it just looks amazing. All right, so this is applied. The eyeshadow looks good, even though there's only one eyeshadow. And now it is time for some mascara. Today I'm not going to be applying any liners. I'm not really in the mood. I do have a liner from MAC, which is this one right here, but I'm not going to use it. I feel like it's too much. I just want to stay very natural and just one eyeshadow. So I have the mascara, which is the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black, which this mascara is so expensive. So expensive. The wand is weird, and the mascara is $31. Like, I don't know if it's worth the money. I'm applying it, you know. I tried it maybe once before. It was a good mascara. Like, the formula is really good, but it's too expensive. Like, I don't know if I like it. The thing that I like about this mascara is that the wand is made for makeup artists, because a lot of makeup artists will have this type of a wand in there, and you know, the formula goes with the wand. So the fact that you can buy reusable wands, this is just amazing. You know, it's like the mascara you need if you're a makeup artist, even though it's super expensive. Ooh, mascara is done, and we will now line the lips, which is really important. I'm gonna take the MAC lip pencil in Boldly Bare, which is my all-time favorite. It's literally one of the only lip liners that I have, but it works with literally any lipstick. So I'm just gonna go for it a little bit, overline them, and we will pass to the gloss. For the next step, I will be taking my MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Reverence, and I will apply it right here on my lips, which is a little bit lighter than the other one, and it looks stunning. I think these colors really fit me the best. And then just for final touch, I will be applying the MAC Dazzle Glass in Roller Girl. Yes, just at certain areas to add a little bit of shine. There's a lot that comes out of this. Okay. Just at the top right here, the middle, and I just tap it. I just added a little bit of lip gloss that will make everything shine, and that will put everything together. The look will be together, just because my eyelids are shining, so I want my lips to shine a little bit, but not too much, and that's why I concentrated at the middle part of my lips. And I blend it, and on the side it's matte, and in the middle it is shiny to really add depth to my lips, to make them look a little bit plumpier. So that is the makeup look. I mean, I don't look that flat in real life. I don't know on camera how it looks like. I might look very pale, but the beauty lights literally blurs out everything. So the next and final step is to set the face. So again, the Max Fix Plus and my Dollar Tree mirror to vent out the little Fix Plus, make sure that the makeup stays in place even when working out. Oh my god. And that is my full face of my cosmetics. It is a little bit natural, nice, with some glitters, pigment, and it looks really nice in my opinion. Tell me down below what you think about the colors that I used, and tell me down below if you think that those colors are nice. And even with my trick with the little lipstick was good as a blush. If you don't have blush, tell me if you ever did that in your life, taking a lipstick and using it as a blush, as a cream blush. So that's what it is, and that is my makeup look for today. I know it is a little bit more natural, but next week there will be some crazy makeup looks that will be coming, and it's gonna be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see some of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any videos, again, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every single time that I post one. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.